In this study note, we are going to understand what is GRIR reconciliation, why it is performed, how it is performed, what is GRIR account, reason for GRIR differences, who performs GRIR reconciliation, frequency of GRIR reconciliation, GRIR accounting entries, categories of unreconciled items, investigation of open items, how to clear the open items in GRIR, how is it established that the GRIR difference is cleared, who are the recipients of GRIR reconciliation, GRIR reconciliation reporting. Imagine you are a wholesale supplier of building materials. Every day you receive material from different suppliers, and you also receive the payment invoice from them. The common sense says, before making payment to the supplier, someone should verify the material and confirm that you pay for what you have received, isn't it? This verification process of reconciling the invoice with goods received note is GRIR matching. GR means goods received. IR means invoice received. Basically, the GRIR reconciliation process is an exception handling process. Before starting with GRIR reconciliation process, let's first try to understand what is GRIR account. The simple explanation for GRIR account is, during the time between the invoice being created and delivery of goods, there can be a timing difference. In order to accommodate this timing difference, a GRIR account is maintained temporarily to record the flow. In an ideal world, GRIR account should have a zero balance, but it never happens. Let us discuss why. Imagine you are dealing with 1,000+ suppliers. Everyone is delivering the material on time and as per specification mentioned in the purchase order. There is no quantity difference, no quality issue, no pricing variance. Running business operations would be so simple. But the reality is, even the world-class companies don't experience such a smooth operation. Every company goes through a pain of having quantity, quality, pricing difference. This is business as usual. Important is to have good controls in place so as such differences can be identified and resolved. That is how companies' day-to-day operations becomes efficient. In the real world, when there is an opening balance on the GRIR account, you need to check whether the invoice from your supplier really matches the goods you have received. Significant differences can occur, and reconciling and explaining these differences is part of the tedious period close tasks for many companies. GRIR reconciliation is an exceptional process for all purchase order items with differences between goods receipt and invoice receipt. Now, let's see some of the common reasons for GRIR differences. There is generally timing difference between goods receipt and invoice receipt, and hence, all the inventories and invoice received are temporarily parked in the GRIR clearing account. Besides timing differences, there are other reasons because of which goods receipt does not match with invoice receipt. Let's take some examples to understand it more clearly. First reason of difference is rejection of goods by customer due to quality or some other issue. Let's take an example. Supplier dispatches invoice and goods together. Receiving clerk acknowledges 100 quantity, but during the inspections rejects 5 quantities due to quality issue. Rejection has caused a difference of 5 quantities between the invoice and GR. Let's see our next example. Second common reason of difference is stealing or pilferage of material in transit. Assume supplier dispatches 1000 liter of chemical through transport, but customer acknowledges 950 liter of chemical and balance 50 liter is pilferage. That means chemical got exhausted during the transport. This will result in 50 liter difference between the invoice and the actual quantity received. There could be 100 such reasons because of which GRIR difference can occur. All such differences could be broadly classified into these categories. 1. Invoice created but good receipts is missing. 2. Goods receipt created but invoice is missing. 3. GRIR posted with difference. A. Legitimate difference in GR versus IR. B. Invoice posted incorrectly. C. GR posted incorrectly. During the discussion, we will cover few examples to explain you the purpose and importance of GRIR reconciliation. Focus on why and how of the process. Now let's see who performs GRIR reconciliation. GRIR reconciliation has to be performed by a separate team sitting outside accounts payable team. Ideally, the GL, that is, General Ledger Reconciliation team, performs the GRIR reconciliation. Frequency of GRIR reconciliation. GRIR reconciliation has to be ideally performed on monthly basis. The ideal time to perform the reconciliation is 1 to 2 days before the close of General Ledger. Performing GRIR reconciliation before the GL close helps to post adjustment journal entries and book the differences in balance sheet. End of part 1. We will continue the remaining portion in part 2.